Amazfit Bip Smartwatch by Huami with all-day heart rate and activity tracking, sleep monitoring, GPS, ultra-long battery life, Bluetooth, US service and warranty, A1608 black. Look as good as you feel. With a range of colors and options, the Bip is designed to be worn as an extension of your personal style. Weighing only 1.1 ounces, 32 grams, and with a bright, transflective always-on 1.28 display, the Bip can be worn all day. Go the distance. Use the Amazfit Bip for up to 30 days on a single 2.5-hour charge. Don't miss a beat. Optical heart rate monitoring and built-in GPS allow you to accurately track in real time your steps taken, distance traveled, calories burned, and quality of sleep. Special sport modes, running, treadmill, cycling, and walking, give you even more detailed insights into your most frequent activities. Be in the know, the perfect companion to keep you organized and productive all day long. Receive one-way notifications for emails, SMS messages, and incoming phone calls, prompting you to take action on your smartphone, as well as alerts for Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Snap, Slack, weather forecasts, and other mobile apps. Satisfaction guaranteed. Buy with confidence. Amazfit offers a 30-day refund policy and 12-month new replacement warranty. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.